the 1 second that revolutionized my life, when my name was called as Miss Florida Teen, a whole future year flashed through my mind. 365 days of defining the crown and inspiring those who inspire me. Shortly after embracing such an accomplishment, I was delightfully bombarded with invites to judge pageants, speak at fundraisers, participate in photo shoots, and appear as a special guest at various events. My role prevailed as a volunteer at special needs dances, proms, and the Special Olympics. In a similar fashion, I continued my work with Base Camp, and this year I trick-or-treated at the Arnold Palmer Hospital for Children, in addition to regular serving the families to dinner and a movie. My national volunteer project was inspired by the Love Ministry, and I raised hundreds of items to benefit the goal of this organization, breaking binds of human trafficking. Speaking of nationals, I can genuinely say that no week will ever live up to such an experience. Multiple times I had to pinch myself to ensure I was truly surrounded with young women like me, crazy enough to know we can change the world. From coordinating pageant volunteers to serve at the Princess Ball, to interviewing with countless magazine journalists, it sure was the best whirlwind of a year. To the pageant sisters I gained along this journey, thank you for an unbreakable bond and constant pick-me-ups. To my best friends, Madeline, Sydney, and Emily, thank you for fixing my lipstick consistently and listening to my endless diatribes about pageants. To Jill, Seth, my brothers, sister, and grandparents, you all keep me persevering with the undaunted belief you have in me. To the man upstairs, I surely would be nowhere without infinitely having you to turn to. Dad, without your endless support and positive nudging, I never would have been pushed this far. And to my beautiful mother, thank you for remaining the most selfless root of all my encouragement and being my personal life coach. Thanks a million, Mr. and Mrs. Mays, for instilling skills into the girls across the nation. And finally, to my successor. It may sound cliche, but you are truly in for a training that will last an eternity. For the last time, I am your National American Miss Florida Teen 2015, Trinity Turlington.